Hey everyone, check out the Camkinger Camping Accessories Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set, perfect for outdoor cooking. This portable camp cookware set includes essential tools like chef and paring knives, cutting board, scissors, and peeler. Made from food-grade silicone, the utensils resist sticking and are gentle on your pots and pans. The BPA-free silicone is heat-resistant, safe for high-temperature cooking without melting or warping. It also comes with a convenient storage bag to keep everything organized on your adventures. Whether you're camping, hiking, or having a backyard barbecue, this set has you covered. It's a practical and thoughtful gift for any camping enthusiast who loves to cook outdoors. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.